In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit FPS in Steam games. If your games feel inconsistent, your system runs hot, or you just want smoother, quieter play, setting a frame rate cap is a simple, effective fix. FPS stands for frames per second, and capping it keeps performance steady, helps reduce fan noise and heat, and can align your game with your monitor's refresh rate for a cleaner experience. For example, if your display is 60 Hz, aiming for 60 FPS is a smart baseline. If you have a 120 or 144 Hz monitor, you might choose a matching number to keep things stable. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Find the game you want to limit, then right-click it and select Properties. You'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where you need to be. Look for the Launch Options field. This is a small text box where you can pass commands to the game each time it starts. In that box, type FPS Max 60, replacing 60 with the cap you prefer. This tells the game to limit its frame rate to that number from the very start of each session. Choose a value that makes sense for your setup. If you're trying to keep temperatures down on a laptop, a lower cap like 45 or 60 can help. If your goal is to match a high refresh monitor, use something like 120 or 144. You can always come back and adjust this later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Once you've entered your number, simply close the Properties window and launch the game. That's all it takes to apply the limit. You should notice your frame rate hovering at or near your chosen value, which can make animations feel more consistent and often reduces stuttering in demanding scenes. If you ever want to remove the cap, go back to the same Properties window for that game and clear the Launch Options field entirely. With the box empty, the game will run without the FPS limit the next time you launch it. Remember that this setting is per game, so if you want the same cap for another title, repeat the same quick steps for that game's properties. That's it, thanks for watching.